Let's prepare chia pudding. This is an ideal snack to have between meals. We can also have it as a dessert or for breakfast. Why? Because it is very filling, it will quickly satisfy our hunger. Because chia is a seed that has a lot of fiber. It also has iron, magnesium, calcium, and a lot of protein. Therefore, it will be a protein-rich snack if we have it for a snack. What does this recipe have? It includes 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, natural chia seeds, that are not processed in any way. 150 milliliters of coconut milk or coconut drink that is also natural and does not contain added sugars. And it includes a tablespoon of goji berries. We are going to add berries to give it a little more sweet flavor. This recipe is very simple. We will take about 1 minute to make it practically because all we have to do is mix all the ingredients. First, we will add the 3 tablespoons of chia. We can put it in a bowl, as I am doing here, or in a glass. We can also prepare many small glasses, and that way we have different puddings to enjoy on alternate days. We are going to add a tablespoon of goji berries. This recipe can be made with goji berries, with raspberries. It can be made with cocoa, with cinnamon, anything that can add flavor. And finally, we are going to add the coconut drink. Natural coconut drink without added sugars. Well, that's it. That's the entire preparation. The only thing we have to do is mix it well, so that all the seeds are hydrated and well mixed with the milk. And then we are going to let it rest in the fridge for about 3 hours because it needs to solidify. Right now you see that it is liquid, but what will happen is that the seed will hydrate and then it will become a block. It will give that sensation of pudding, of yogurt, of something denser, which is what will really satisfy us and we will enjoy having as a snack. Well, we have it. Simply, this mixture goes straight to the fridge. We have the pudding ready. We simply took it out of the fridge and it has solidified. Sometimes the seeds don't remain as uniform as we see here, so we just stir it a little and it will be perfect. Because there are times when they clump together in one area of the bowl and it needs to be mixed well. Now we can decorate it with whatever we want. I am going to put some raspberries and goji berries on top, in addition to those mixed inside, to make it look nicer, and also to give it that sweet touch. We can add red fruits, we can add diced apple, whatever we want. But this way the presentation will look much nicer. And we have it ready. This can be stored in the fridge for about 3 days, 4 days, and we can consume it whenever we feel like it.